OnePlus made its much anticipated entry into the true wireless audio segment earlier this year with the OnePlus Buds. Although affordably priced and very good looking, I didn't find the company's first true wireless earphones compelling enough to recommend over some of the excellent competing options. Interestingly enough, the OnePlus Buds Z, which is the company's second true wireless headset, is already here, and it looks to address many of the concerns that plagued its predecessor. Is this the best pair of true wireless earphones you can buy for under 3000 rupees? Let's find out in our review. But before we get started, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and also hit the bell icon to be notified every time we post a new video. While the OnePlus Buds has a more contemporary, stylish design and an outer ear fit, the OnePlus Buds Z is a bit more traditional looking. This includes the bulge in the casings, in-canal fit, and glossy texture on the outer side. The OnePlus Buds Z is available in two colors, white and grey, giving the rather interesting Nord blue color a skip. The earphones are also IP55 rated for dust and water resistance. The charging case is pill-shaped with the earphones slotting in horizontally, similar to the Huawei FreeBuds 3i. Like on the Huawei headset, I found this method a bit confusing, and although the earphones latch in place magnetically, it's a bit more difficult and less intuitive than vertically oriented charging cases. On the OnePlus Buds Z, the outer side of the earpieces are touch sensitive for controls, which can be customized directly through the system Bluetooth settings if you have a OnePlus smartphone. Only the double tap function on each earpiece and can be set to control play or pause, next track, previous track, or invoke the default voice assistant on your smartphone, which really doesn't give you too much control from the earpieces. There is also wear detection, so the sound will automatically play or pause every time you take off one or both of the earphones. You can also view the battery status of the earpieces and charging case through the Bluetooth settings on your smartphone. Google Fast Pair is supported, so if you're using a non-OnePlus device and you paired using the Google protocol, this will let you view the battery status of the earphones through the Bluetooth settings. Interestingly, there is now an app for Android called Hey Melody that lets you view battery levels, customize controls, and update the firmware on the OnePlus Buds Z. Although it is a bit basic, it worked fine for me for the core functions using a Google Pixel 3a XL. Battery life on the OnePlus Buds Z isn't quite as good as on the more expensive Buds, but it's decent enough given the price of the headset. I was able to get over 4 hours of listening from the earpieces, with the charging case offering an additional 3 full charges, so I got a total of around 17 hours of listening per charge cycle. There is also fast charging supported on the OnePlus Buds Z, with a 10-minute charge slated to give you 3 hours of extra listening time. With the OnePlus Buds Z, the company has made a significant improvement in sound quality. Part of this is because of the in-canal fit, which ensures proper noise isolation and well-directed sound. Although the sonic signature can be described as safe, the OnePlus Buds Z does a commendable job of adding enough detail and precision to the sound to make even this U-shaped sonic signature sound enjoyable and entertaining. Interestingly, there's also support for Dolby Atmos when used with a OnePlus smartphone, and I was able to try this out using Dolby Atmos music on Tidal. Switching to compressed streams with Spotify, the sound was immediately louder, but there was a definite drop in definition and detail, with the bass seeming a bit more imposing and rumbly. That said, the sound was still impressive even with compressed streaming, with a fair amount of detail to be heard. There's no active noise cancellation on the OnePlus Buds Z, but there is environmental noise cancellation, which improves the quality of your voice being heard by the other side on calls. When it comes to gadgets and tech, the second time is often the charm, especially when brands try to enter new product segments. The OnePlus Buds Z is a great example of exactly that. It costs 2000 rupees less than the OnePlus Buds, but is objectively better in almost every way. From the fit and comfort to the sound, this is an excellent pair of true wireless earphones for the price. Like the OnePlus Buds, the full feature set is only unlocked if you use a OnePlus smartphone, including excellent Dolby Atmos capabilities and a very good soundstage. However, the experience on non-OnePlus smartphones is better now thanks to the Hey Melody app. Even without the extra bits that I just mentioned, the OnePlus Buds Z is a very good pair of true wireless earphones, and especially one to consider if you're shopping on a tight budget of under 3000 rupees. Now, with all of that said, are you planning to buy the new OnePlus Buds Z? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to head on over to gadgets360.com to check out more in-depth reviews and videos.